Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a travel agency with Expedia, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start a travel agency with Expedia, first, familiarize yourself with the travel industry. Research current trends and demands to understand your potential market. Decide on your niche, whether it's adventure travel, luxury vacations, or family trips. Visit the Expedia Partner Solutions website. Create an account to access their travel agency program. Fill out the necessary information, including your business details and contact information. Once your account is approved, access the tools and resources available to partners. Familiarize yourself with the Expedia platform and its user interface. Explore the inventory of hotels, flights, and vacation packages offered. Create your website or online presence to promote your travel agency. Use the tools provided by Expedia to integrate their offerings into your site. Consider branding your agency with a unique name and logo. Market your agency through social media and online advertising. Network with local businesses and offer special packages to attract clients. Attend travel expos or industry conferences to connect with other professionals. Offer exceptional customer service to build a loyal client base. Monitor your sales and adjust your offerings based on customer feedback. Stay updated on travel regulations or changes in the industry. Continuously educate yourself on new destinations and travel options. Leverage reviews and testimonials to enhance your agency's reputation. Maintain strong communication with Expedia for support and updates. By following these steps, you can successfully establish and grow your travel agency with Expedia. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.